Season 189, songs about myths or a legend, and this one's about a unicorn. We were travelling north to sing and play to people we had never met. Been working hard and didn't speak. The sky was grey and threatened wet, and I dreamed that I saw unicorns. I dreamed I saw them wild and white. Their sudden beauty lit the world as a star would light a winter's night. Pure as love with manes of milk, they danced and pranced and sang aloud. Bright as rainbows round the stars, their eyes were soft and sad and proud. Then I wept for the wild and dirty world to which this beauty now was lost, and cursed the hungry mind of man that feeds the future at such cost. My head was bowed, my eyes were closed, while in my ears their voices rang, and these few words lodged deep inside, and in my very soul they sang. We never went away, you always knew we were near. Remember how to look for us, you'll see we were always here. I raised my eyes to seek them out. The world was empty all around. The rain came tumbling from the sky, it drowned all dreams upon the ground. When they asked me why I wept like one who for his dead love mourns, the only answer I could give, I dreamed there were unicorns. We never went away, you always knew we were near. Remember how to look for us, you'll